As the sun dipped behind the mountains, the children of Tapovan played in the fields. But just as the shadows grew longer, something strange began to happen.
Where did my shadow go?
Mine too, it just vanished.
This isn't natural, this is weird. Om Hrim Batukaya Nama.
No shadows? That's a mystery, all right. Shadows are not just light's friend. They hold memories.
Memories.
Every shadow is a record of truth. If they're missing, someone is trying to erase something. This isn't an ordinary mirror. This is the Chayagrahi, the shadow stealer.
I was once a temple guardian, forgotten for centuries. I began taking shadows so I wouldn't disappear completely.
But you scared the whole village.
You don't need to steal to be remembered. Let me help you return with honor.
Who saved our village again?
Just a friend who never casts a shadow of pride.
When we hide the truth, even our shadows disappear. But when we face the past with light, healing begins. Batuk Bhairava watches over all, not just with power but with understanding.